We are at the SN looking for a new bed. It's a queen size right here. That's queen size too. 50% off on that mattress. Got a little box springs type setup there. All these mattresses. So you got beautiful ladies, and boom, look at this. Oh yeah, that's gonna be the new bed right there. Y'all think I'm kidding? What's the price on here? $5,149, basically $100 a piece. That's a suitcase size. So if I ever get a divorce, I'll just pack up my 2 suitcases and roll out. I'm getting some beautiful ladies here. Which one here? Oh, that's even better. That's a bedroll. That's not thick enough, baby. That's not thick enough, because you know, well, you know what I'm talking about. That ain't, that's not thick enough. And folks, I don't know about any of these brands, but I can tell you this. If you don't buy a Eurotex brand, they fall apart. Like all these little thin mattresses like this right here. They're okay for about a month and then they just fall apart. And I'm not picking on any brand. I'm just telling you that we bought a bunch of these things. They fell apart. And once we got a Eurotex, that thing is an absolute champion right there. That's gonna, right there. Already got this one here that's got wheels on it. So there you go, Airlight futon. It's basically a queen size. It's a 3-inch, no, what is it? Oh, 3-inch by 60-inch by 75. It's 3 pieces. Pulls out to be a queen size. About $100 a piece. Look at that. See if you can pick it up, baby. Pick it up. Yeah, we can walk out of here. We can take them with us, just stack them on top of the trike. We can take those camping. They fit in the tent, right? And if we get a divorce, you take one, I take the other. We go our separate ways. Deal? Oh, check that out. I just found a little bamboo kitchen tool set. 359 pesos. I said, that bamboo's coming with us. Where's mommy at? All right, and we're also in the market for a fan. Hello, hello, ladies. You get an extra fan for the crib. Do a little test here. Oh yeah, that's got some nice wind to it. Yeah, put the, yeah, let me see the. Oh yeah, that's real nice. Yeah, we'll go with that one, my friend. Thank you very much. Yeah, folks, doing a little shopping here. Getting a new crib set up. Babe, we need that extra fan. Especially since we buy these new mattresses, we're gonna need that. Now, Fatima's on the hunt for some more plates. I said, yeah, see if they got some more dog bowls. We're gonna add a dog bowl to our arsenal of 2 dog bowl plates. Don't even be looking at that, baby. You got your bowls back there. You're back to washing clothes Filipino style. Filipino? Let's roll, my friend. Here, take this one too. There we go. All right. Go, Maria. Look at this, baby. That is so nice. Honey, it's not a dog bowl, okay?
Look at another one.
Oh, 329 pesos. Look, you know, a normal plate when you're like chasing food around, it just goes off the side. You don't gotta worry about that with this. It's not breakable. What you think? You like that one better? Oh yeah, we could pan for gold. You could pull it apart. There's actually 2. You could pan for gold with that one, baby. Yeah, and here's something a little more eco-friendly. Get into the bamboo section. Hey, what about this one? Oh, that's heavy. $4.99. That thing is heavy. My gosh. Oh Lord. How about this one, baby? That is some heavy stuff right there. That's a cutting board. Papa's got it. You like that?
Yeah.
Could chop vegetables on that, huh?
You want this?
I'm not down with the plastic. Folks, I think we found a winner. This thing's on sale, $1.99. There you go. 4 of them. Folks, y'all think I'm kidding. I'm walking out of here. 2 queen size beds. goodness. They said this video, we made 1 million views right here. Carrying these 2 queen size beds out. I was gonna carry them myself, but I can't run a camera. So I gotta depend on these gentlemen here. There you go, 2 queen size beds. That way when we get a divorce, Fatima can take one, I take the other. Of course, she got them a new coloring book. It's a beautiful day, folks. I guess I should have told y'all we moved. Man, I failed to mention that part. All right, folks. That's the way you do it right there. Stay mobile. Not 1, but 2 queen size beds. Gotta get the Utensils foam. If you don't get the Utensils foam, those little mattresses are gonna tear up real quick like. But that Utensils will last. It's worth it. $100 each. Oh yeah. Look around the SM here. Oh, still got a little ice skating action going on. They gave me that card, SM card, didn't ask me for no information. I got like 1,000 pesos off, and they got a free meal at Zark's. And I didn't tell the old lady that. I'll take my girlfriend to that little adventure. Let me go over there. Still having a little ice rink action. All right, folks, I got to cut the video for a minute because I got to call my ride, tell them to pick us up. There you go, folks. Ready, 1, 2, 3, jump, sweetie. Good job. Good job for us, G. Wow, beautiful lady. Mobility, my friends. Got to stay expeditionary. Hello. Got to stay expeditionary. 2 suitcase rule. Don't know more than you can put in 2 suitcases. Get 1 suitcase full of clothes and one suitcase with a queen size bed. Life is good, my friends. Life is wonderful. Here we go. Okay, to check it out. 2 queen size beds going on the top of this here trike. Look at that. Folks, expeditionary. Oh, we got a fan too. We ain't got no air con in the new place, at least not yet. Rome wasn't built in a day, my friends. Look at this. Why don't I buy a car? Why I need a car? I got a driver. Look at these babies here. I got a driver. Got the driver giving him some expert tutelage on how to tie down 2 queen size beds. Look at that. I'm so happy. Folks, I can take them things camping. It's easy if you get a divorce. You just 50-50 it. Man, life is good. All right, folks, we're loaded up. 2 queen size beds on board. Y'all ready to go? Okay, here we go. Cause I'm rolling in the 5.0. I've got the rag top down so my hair can blow. Folks, it's okay to be jealous. It's okay to be jealous when you see me riding in the back like Donald J. Trump, like DJT. Here you go, leaving the SM. It looks like the sign's getting a little facelift over there. Beautiful day. Met a new friend in the SM, and my friend, I can't remember your name. We were talking about Margarita Station. He was in there getting a little exercise and then going to shoot some pool with his lady friend later on. With his new girlfriend. Or maybe he just said girlfriend. I don't want to get you in trouble, man. Maybe he said new girlfriend, or maybe he said girlfriend. Got the intersection here smartly. Little babies out there hustling for coins. Don't break your heart, my friends. Break your heart. facing the world famous walking street. That's as close as you can get with me. I ain't got no business down there these days. Not today, at least. Yeah, that's where my buddy was headed. Talking about Margarita Station. Gonna shoot some pool. The mattress is riding like a champion. Like champions. Hercules used to be ponytails. The Angel's Bakery got a full house. Coming up on the ABC Hotel. As you only live once. Got an armored shoebox out front. Oh yeah, safely home here at the crib, the new crib. Now folks, not only is this 2 queen size beds, let me show you the genius in this, right? Folks, I'm a redneck engineer. Let me show you something. All right, it's the living room here. I'm gonna give you all a tour later, but not right now. Look, let me show you something. Let me show you something so ingenious. Let me show you, so ingenious. Okay. That. Oh yeah, baby, check out that couch. Check out that couch, baby girl. Slight modification. Right there. Now, if you leave it in the plastic, you got your grandma's couch. So baby, lay back and model that for us. Come on, lay back on it, baby. Lay back on it. Oh yeah, folks. You did not see that coming. But not only is that 2 queen size beds, it's a couch during the day, and it transforms into what? A bed at night. So you didn't see this coming, did you? I didn't tell you this. You did not know that I bought not only 2 queen size beds, I bought you a couch, baby. Honey, how much of a genius is your husband? If you get tired of it being white with blue trim, you flip it over, then it's blue with white trim. Now, folks, I'm going to show you how lightweight and efficient this is. Filipino wife number 2 is going to take it out of the packaging by herself. No need for any assistance. That's it, baby. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It's a queen size bed, right?
This is queen already.
It's a queen size. Of course, she's trying to assist here. He just really wants to do some jumping on what appears to be a trampoline. It's like a transformer. Of course, she's in the way. Boom. Look at that couch. Baby, plop down on that and tell me how comfortable that is. How comfortable is that, baby? Nice, huh? If you leave the plastic on it, it's like grandma's house back in the 80s. It won't get dirty, but you sweat. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Good job, sweetie. Oh, yeah. Dig, baby, dig into that bamboo. It's like Christmas over here. Right in my breast violation.
Wow. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Bamboo.
This bamboo.
It says it's bamboo. Folks, it's okay to be jealous of my lifestyle. There might be a few of you who saw this coming. Maybe early in the video, a couple of y'all said, you know what, that redneck's gonna use that thing as a couch. Look at this. Look at this right here. I could probably put some pillows up here if I wanted to. I'll lay back a little bit. Life is good, my friend. It's all about what you're making. And I like to take lemons and make lemonade. Oh, Utensils queen size bed / couch. It's sort of like a pull-out couch. It's a pull-out sofa is what it is.
I like this, Daddy.
You like our new plates?
Yes.
All right, we can bake in them, eat out of them.
I like this.
Yep, we can make drums out of them.
It's for cake, Daddy.
Yeah, we'll bake a cake in there, sweetie girl. You like the new spoons?
Yes.
Okay, bake a cake.
A cupcake.
Yeah, make cupcakes.
Gosh, kulerot.
It's okay to be jealous. Baby, now you're making me sweat. Baby. Tell us what you're making. Huh?
And bacon.
Bacon?
Yes.
Good job, sweetie.
You like bacon?
I love bacon.
I like bacon too.
Now see, now you got 3, 6, 9 inches of padding. Now, baby, what I call this, when you got that thickness there, that's honeymoon mode, baby.
Watch.
You think about the honeymoon, that's what we need right there. The extra cushion, you put it in honeymoon mode. Now you got 9 inches of padding, baby.